ancestors could we eat gluten and we can't? Hi there, I'm Dr. Elena Maganto and I am from Spain, from the Mediterranean, where we also have a gluten-based whole grain diet. And imagine in Italy as well, all the pasta that they always used to eat. So a lot of people always ask, so why before people didn't have any sensitivities and now we do have? Well, before people had certain conditions that were related to gluten sensitivities, but still there wasn't a lot of research about it, so they couldn't relate to gluten. But it's true that the gluten that we eat now is a little bit different than the one that we used to eat before, because my grandfather, for example, used to collect wheat from the field, and they used to have a really rich diet, whole food diet, nothing refined. So the problem now is that the wheat, all the gluten-based grains, they have tons of pesticides that are affecting your body, including glyphosate, which is found in a lot of foods, and gluten is really rich on it and has been causing a lot of infertility issues and other conditions. Also, because 99% of the gluten is genetically modified, and that has been causing a lot of issues in the gut. But also is because the diet that 90% of the population has now is really far away from the diet that our ancestors used to have. They used to eat a whole foods diet. Whatever was coming from the ground, whatever was coming from the ocean, they didn't buy anything on a package. They didn't eat food like products, because the problem with the current diet is that we eat a lot of refined carbohydrates that are causing a lot of sensitivities, and we eat a lot of processed food that end up causing gastrointestinal inflammation, leaky gut. So we are not able to digest gluten because it's a really complex protein, so that is causing more inflammation, and is why we end up with gluten sensitivities. This is the answer why before our ancestors didn't react to gluten and now we do. So please stick to the whole foods, stick to whatever is coming from the ground and whatever is coming from the ocean, to keep a good second brain, which is the gut. So you are going to stop reacting to a lot of foods.